Look, boy, you seen how that shit shot by? Boy, that's them. Maybe, this one of my little pets too. You feel me? Yes, sir. See the eyes, red eyes, and glowers. You see the stars, Blakey? Well, I bring the stars close to you now. Yes, sir. That's the little shit, whatever, you know. That's the little, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I see the stars. Nigga, I bring the stars out, look. You hear me? It's important. That when that shit shot at as soon as I started the video. And boy, I want me to, it look like I seen them shit shoot out. Okay, this gonna make 2 videos for the night. Oh, look, I closed one of them things, came on the porch. Dang. So I went and catch him transforming. They shot out. They be throwing me off. Doing little shit. Nigga, I see you in the trees playing. See how they busting at me? Whatever I was just on in the tree. Yeah, I'm right here blinking. They gonna hit at a nigga. You right here. You a little more brighter. Yup. That's our little buddy, man. You tripping. Let me go over here. Leave him alone. I don't want to be getting people all in my video and shit. So they not tripping. These motherfuckers just seeing my phenomenon to me. See, look, I be catching his ass. Damn, man, where he went at? Damn, man. Hey, fuck. He's somewhere right here, high. In the bushes. There you go. No, I wasn't tripping. You see him, look? Damn, where he went at? That funny guy, but there you go, right now. See him? Damn. He ain't gonna come out for y'all to see him like that. Okay, damn. It's about 2 of them now. They trying to throw me off now. What is it? He trying to throw me off. pretty soon. Why you up all back out though? Fuck. As I go to fuck with them grease, they see how you part, how you about to bucket. Yeah. Dang. Fuck. Oh, he's still right there. Okay. That boy trying to shake me. Oh, he gone. No, he not. Okay, you go. You and that. I see you. You way up the thing. Look, the eyes done changed. Look at the eyes. Let me see. Oh, nah, they still red. They still glowing. That's them. Hey, what up, buddy? When that? Man, I lost you. The Porter Wayne out. It might just do be. Yeah, so I got something right there. That's the Porter right there, bad luck. You see that little white ball? That shit be changing colors, blue, purple. Sun shot out of it too, 8 minutes. Boy, I'm up. Yes, sir. Right here. You know, I got you. Seeing that black shit shoot out again? See another one? That shit trying to blend in camouflage. It's moving too. Shit's busting at a nigga. Oh, damn, look at the ice. Gone. Oh, we got us one, y'all, 2 of them. Bring your fuck ass back. He gonna make him pop out. Oh, it's something over here. Look in the middle of the tree. Look at the cloud. Look how it's a shadow jumping too back there. Not where I'm at on that other shit. Over here. There's 2 more clouds jumping around. See it? There you go. This shit right here. see them going in. Fuck that. Yard. After that.